In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Adyen payments on Shopify. By the end, you'll have Adyen connected to your store so customers can check out smoothly whether you're testing behind the scenes or ready to take live payments. Start by logging into your Shopify account and opening the store you want to configure. Make sure you're in the Shopify admin dashboard. This is the control center where we'll make all the changes. From the admin, look to the lower left corner and click Settings, then select Payments. This page manages all payment gateways for your store. If you've connected anything before, you'll see it here, but we're going to add Adyen. Under the third-party providers section, click See All Providers. In the search bar, type Adyen and select it from the results. If you don't see Adyen, it could be due to regional availability or store eligibility, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, go ahead and continue. Select Adyen and click Install. This tells Shopify you want to add Adyen as your payment processor. The installation is quick and simply adds the option to connect your account. You may see a prompt confirming permissions so Shopify and Adyen can communicate securely. Next, connect your Adyen account. You'll be prompted to log in and enter the required account details. Use the same business information you have on file with Adyen so everything matches, including legal entity details and banking information. If your Adyen account has extra security, complete any authentication prompts. Take a moment to review what Shopify is requesting to ensure you're comfortable with the connection. You'll then choose your mode. Test mode is great for trying things out without charging real cards, and live mode is for accepting real payments from customers. If this is your first time, start in test mode to run through a checkout and confirm orders flow correctly. You can switch to live mode later once you're confident everything works. Finally, activate the provider to enable Adyen on your store, save your changes, and confirm that Adyen shows as active in your payment settings. A quick test checkout from your storefront is a good sanity check to make sure the payment button appears and the flow is smooth. Keep in mind, Adyen may not be available in all regions. If it doesn't appear as a provider, that's likely the reason, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.